Yo, what is going on, guys? Today is Monday. Another trade recap video with you for you guys. It is the first day of the week, first week of the year, and sadly today we did have the first losing trade of the year. And let's go over it. Today we have lost $742 on both accounts, the Top Step and on Tradeovate, which is a total of 1.4 or 1.5, however you want to round it off to. But we also did lose a top star account because I did FOMO a trade, a second trade, after I didn't wait for a full confirmation of a sell candle or a black candle. Where was it that I entered? This is ES, my bad. I traded NQ today because I thought we had a bearish SMT. Clearly not. Price was just being bullish today, but we'll go over that in just a sec. Yeah, I re-entered on the top sub account right here on this candle because, as you can see, just fucking. Well, actually, let me take it a step back. On Tradeovate, I didn't get stopped out by this candle right here, as you can see, but I did get stopped out on Top Step. Reason why I didn't get stopped out on Tradeovate is because I still don't know how to adjust my stop loss. I can only adjust my stop loss by putting in the price before executing the trade. I hate that shit because I'm not in a position where I'm able to just like calmly look at the price and then just like easily fucking put in the numbers. I want to be able to do it quick and easy once I'm in the fucking trade. But apparently I can't do that. I don't know if it's a setting or whatnot, but either way, I did not get stopped down in the trade of account. I let it ride. Saw this candle print. First, it was a huge bearish candle, so then I re-entered in the top step account, and then it just stopped me on the top sub account, and then I closed the position off in the Tradeify account as well. And that's how I lost the top step, and that's how I lost 1.4k today. And bias was today bearish. Why? Daily time frame was still showing us bearish order flow. We didn't get any bearish confirmation on Nasdaq in the daily time frame, although on ES we did break, not break structure, my bad. Inverse this fair value gap right here. But the total objective today was just bearish. I mean bearish, bullish. Straight fucking bullish, as you can clearly see. We inversed this for bearish fair value gap on ES while we were still trading in this bearish fair value gap on Nasdaq. Once market opened, I thought we had a bearish S&T where Nasdaq just traded lower while ES traded higher. Took out these, I believe it was hourly highs or 4-hour highs. Yeah, 4-hour highs. I could have waited for it to break a structure on ES as well to confirm that we're going lower instead of just putting a fair value gap in here and then just entering off the trades like I mentioned already. I entered off this inverse fair value gap right here. Put my stop loss at the second to last high and stopped out on both trades. Reevaluated my bias. Clearly today was bullish. Why? Because ES is on its move, well, was on its move to take out that other 4-hour high. I definitely could have entered another trade, but did I want to? Not at all. Because that was just not my idea. That was not the trade that I was looking for essentially. So I was not going to FOMO for it. But then I also wanted to to look back and understand why price is being bullish. Like I thought we were gonna have a sell off and like start to retrace for like a heavier time frame because over the year we've only had blue candles up. We've only had blue candles up. We've had a retrace and then two blue candles up. Unless this was a retracement on a lower time frame for the higher time frame, but I'm not considering that. But I went to the daily and saw this break a structure. If you put a fib retracement on Friday, that bearish candle was this a retrace. Now, I don't know if it's possible yet. We do have a break of structure here, and we did get the retracement fair value gap right here. Well, I mean this whole liquidity void right here, but still clearly seems to be that bullish is the main idea behind all of this. And I'm starting to think that well, I'm going to start taking this into consideration now, actually. I know most of you know that recently US attacked Venezuela and US took most of its oil. Accordingly, on Twitter, US oil was the cause to bring BTC to 93 or 94,000. And BTC is against the dollar. Anything that's against the dollar, they go up. If the dollar is going up, stocks go down, bonds go down, crypto goes down. If the dollar goes down, DXY, where's DXY, which happened today, if you go into the daily, was just bearish, while everything else today was just bullish. So I mean, us griefing Venezuela and stealing their oil was a bullish news for the US, pretty much causing the US to, or to the US stock market to actually go up. And I guess anything valuable like that, it's against the dollar, I guess. I'm just so confused as how oil really manipulated crypto to really be bullish and everything else. I never understood as to how oil is against the dollar. Unless I need to inform myself and understand how oil is against the dollar, or unless I'm just being crazy. But oil was the cause for BTC to go up, and BTC is against the dollar. That made me think that this weekend's news was the reason for this bullish stock market. I feel like this wasn't supposed to happen. This up candle was not supposed to happen. But just off world news, this is what pretty much can happen. Now we're gonna see based off tomorrow if we are still going to be bullish or not. Obviously, right now we're causing it. I wouldn't say an SMT, but pretty much an SMT. Unless price comes down to this 4 hour fair value gap down here, which we don't have here. We only have one right here. But I really don't see him. Tomorrow's trade is really going to be interesting, but that's pretty much what I have for today. Hope you guys have a great evening. Stay safe and talk to you guys later. Peace.